What's going on YouTube? It's Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors. I'm bringing you guys another official video. Guys, I'm super stoked. I'm excited. I feel like this kid is turning into a masterpiece. It's nothing like doing something that you love and enjoy. Like I said, guys, I work full time, 60 plus hours, but I'm still making time to do this, not only for me, but for you guys out there in the Audi community who have supported me from day one and who want to see our platform take it to the next level. Let's make our own supercar. So if you're part of that bandwagon, please like, share, subscribe. If we can have guys out there in the garage making kits going viral, why can't we do it here? So like and share this video, guys. I want more people to be a part of this. And also, guys, if you guys have any ideals or if you guys have anything you think I should add to the kit, please let me know. So as you can see, the infamous profile, look at that right there, guys. I mean, come on, guys. Can you really deny the side view? Unless I'm just biased to this kit, that looks amazing. Look what I did right here, guys. I actually made a temporary tire and cambered it just so I can see how my fitment would look, right? So as you can see, guys, I'm going to just kind of walk the new people who just came through the kit. And as you guys know, the way that I do this video or the way that I do these videos is I will show you the kit. And then at that point, after I show you the kit, I will show you the process on how I got here. And I'm doing that with all of my videos. So once again, here's the front profile, right? You got the tires right there. Made sure that everything is functional. I have 13-inch wide tires on the front. So I'm making sure that the kit can turn. And also I'm making sure that I can also drive static on the kit. So I'm leaving a space for the tires to potentially drive static. Or if my airbags go off. If you have airbags, you know what I mean, right? So as you can see, that's going to be the front profile right there. That's going to be where it veers off on the bottom lip. I did something different on the front, guys. Let me show you. Let me know if you guys like this or if I should take it out. Man, look at that view, guys. All right, so on the front, I went ahead and put like some little gills, or rather vents on the front. I don't know. I feel like that kind of gives it a sharp look, right? I feel like with those like gills and vents, it just kind of gives this like kind of sharp look. If you look at it from this angle, it really just brings out the front end and gives it more of an aggressive look. Let me know if you guys like that. I think I might make this my screensaver. So let me know if you guys like that. Think it looks pretty cool. Added that to the kit just for extra spunk. And as you can see, I've been working on making everything functional. Like as far as the doors opening, I made sure I veered this angle so you can open the door and it can come back in perfectly without any issues. Still got the front vents. I think that really is what give it the louver part, the supercar look. Right here, I was thinking about putting some slits in there. I think I should do that, leave it alone. Let me know in the comments, please. So as you can see, this is going to be the front flare. I don't know if I really showed you guys the flare. So I did something different with this part right here. So as you can see on this back part, I brought a little lip to kind of go with the diffuser. So this lip right here is going to kind of accompany this lip, and just going to go boom, boom, boom. I could trim it just a little more, angle it just a little more, but my whole goal is from this angle for it to kind of go like in a almost stop sign hectagon triangle look right over there. And let you guys see the back view. I don't know if I've really shown the back view. So I'm still working on the back, but as you can see, this is how wide the car is going to be. I kind of extended out the tires. So look at that, guys. This is how wide the car is going to be, right? So if I just kind of show you this side right here, this is going to be the side angle of how wide the car is going to be right over here. And this is how wide it used to be, which was super wide as well, right? But I'm going more with the body on this one and getting, like I said, 6 inches on each side. So this is going to be the back. I was thinking about putting like a little side vent right here or making it open tire. Not sure right now. I show you a picture of how it looks with it. This is how it looks with it. All right, guys, so what I am doing right now is I thought it would look a little bit better. I gotta make them straight, but I'm putting like some little vents right here. I don't know, I feel like putting those vents would really bring out this front part. So I'm putting like some little vents. Let me know what you guys think, if I should keep the vents or take them away. But yeah, putting some vents right here. Just so I can have a good effect. I'm gonna straighten them out. They're not straight right now, but you get what I'm doing. All right, so guys, what I think I want to do now is I feel like I'm really solidified with the front. I feel like the front is pretty on point. I feel like I got all of the corners and edges. So now I think I made a fake tire, guys, just so I can kind of test my camera. Don't judge me, I made a fake tire. I don't know, maybe I should make some rims now. Look at that fake tire. Okay, so this piece right here, I went ahead and cut out a triangle, right? So guys, all right, this piece right here, guys, I went ahead and cut out a triangle. On the back, looks, as you can see, it's gonna be pretty wide on the back, and just to kind of give you hindsight of how the other side looks, that's how the other side looks. Pretty wide too, right? But as you can see, I got an extra 6 inches on this side. Now, you got the louver or whatever you call it, I put right there. You got the bag. I just put some boxes right there for the tire of how wide it's gonna be. I just extended the tire because I'm gonna bring it out. So I feel like it's kind of more triangle-y, going this way and going this way. And if you look right here, it flares out on the front right there, and it flares out right here. So I was thinking about, why don't I flare it out on the back too, right? So I feel like if I get this right here, and if I kind of flare it out right here, it'll really add the volume to the kit to accommodate the other parts. I may make this part a little smaller, but I feel like if I flare it out right here, it'll just kind of complete the back, kind of match the actual diffuser and make it a little bit more complete. So I'm thinking I don't know if I wanted to go past the tire or be before the tire, but I may make it a little smaller, but I'm gonna see. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and flare this up. So I'm cutting off this piece for the base, and then that way I can kind of use this as the base to add it. Yeah, I'm looking at this. I don't know if I wanted to completely extend past the tire, so I may just take off maybe a centimeter off of this. Thanks, guys. All right, as you guys can see, that's kind of what I was talking about right here, but it's flaring out a little too much. But you guys can see what I was talking about flaring out, right? So if you look to the back, it's kind of flaring out. If you look right here, but I think I gotta trim it just a little more so that it can be more flush from like a triangle, like this. So I'm gonna just get a marker and just kind of come down here. All right, so you see like how I got these corners right here. So what I'm trying to do right now is, corners are pretty good in the edges. I got them pretty sharp. As you can see, this one kind of curves a little bit. That's just like some extra. I'm cool with it curving right here. I like that curvature. On this one, I'm thinking it has sharp edges, and I kind of shaved about 1 inch from the side. I was literally the same width as a dually. Literally the same width as a dually. So I trimmed 1 inch, and so this is just to show how much I trimmed. So I have to bring everything back. Just felt like it was more flush. As a result, the fender flare, or rather the flare coming from the door, had an inch, so I added an extra piece. This looks really sharp, but I think I wanted to kind of have somewhat of a contour to it, kind of like the front. So I'm thinking about, I cut this little piece off and thinking about putting this little piece, and it's gonna kind of give you like a little, somewhat of a contour, or more of a round curve. Just gonna, in my opinion, look a little better. So I'm gonna put this in and show you once I'm done. So guys, I'm just really super excited about this kit. I think it's coming along amazingly, right? And if there's any pointers or anything that you guys can add to the kit, just let me know, right? I feel like I'm kind of at a good point. I don't know, guys. Let me show y'all the front. Let me show you guys this angle again. Show you the front again. So this is going to be the front for you guys that want to see open tire. So I'm going with this open tire thing. I think it looks super aggressive. So yeah, guys, just let me know if I should add anything else, or do you think that I'm good as far as from this part all the way. I know I'm gonna have to make a super big wing to accommodate the kit, so that's probably gonna really add some volume to the back. And of course, when I make the kit, this is all gonna be blended in, so you're not gonna see all of this stuff. And if you guys wanna see my process on making the kit, I did actually another kit, and it's linked in the description and at the end of the video, if you wanna kinda just see the process, so you can trust that this one will be a masterpiece as well. If someone likes this kit, let me know. Yeah, I pretty much want to share this, guy. Let's go ahead and watch the process, and let's like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. This is Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors. Peace and love.